Hi, good evening, everyone. Tracy Luciani Price from Price Team Mortgages. And tonight I'm going to talk to you about a little known program called Purchase Plus Improvements. And the reason I'm going to talk to you about it is because many people don't know about it, aren't aware of it, and it can save you a bundle of money. So Purchase Plus Improvements, what happens is if you have a house that you like, but you hate the kitchen, you can get the mortgage including the kitchen. So that means that you need a contractor that will come in and give you a quote. So when we give the purchase documents to the lender, we ask for extra money to complete the kitchen. Now, when that happens, it can be anything that you want improved. Anything that will add value to the house. So you can't just ask for paint, for instance. That's not improving the house. It has to be a substantial improvement, like a new roof, like a new kitchen, like a new bathroom, like all new floors in the house. So many people will go looking for a house and they just absolutely hate that house because it has, let's say, a very dated bathroom. So they'll rule out that house because they hate the bathroom because they think, oh, I've got to put another $25,000 to fix the bathroom to be the way I want it. So this way, other houses that you may have ruled out may be in contention. If that house had a dynamite kitchen, you may want it because it had everything else that you do want, like the size of the rooms, like the location of the property. Now, most people, what they do is they buy the house and then they go into debt. They go into debt. They put their new floors, they go to Home Depot, for instance, they put their new floors on a Home Depot card, and now they have $10,000 that they have to pay back at high interest costs. This way, with Purchase Plus Improvements, you could put the $10,000 added to the mortgage and pay it at the same low rate that you got your mortgage payment. Now, there are a few rules for this. You need to complete the renovations within 90 days. We can get an exception. And you have to prove that you actually have done the renovations. You don't get the money before when your actual house closes. You get the money for the improvements after they are complete. And usually we do that through an appraiser that goes out and confirms that you actually have completed the floors. So I'll walk you through how it's done again. You purchase your house and you say, I hate the kitchen. So you get a contractor in and he tells you that the house, to get a brand new kitchen, all new cupboards, granite countertops, new sink, new, let's say, new flooring, it's going to cost you another new cupboards, it's going to cost you $40,000. You can go up to 10% of your purchase price. So if you're buying at $500,000, we can submit the mortgage application for $550,000. You need a detailed analysis from the contractor that would be approved by the lender that you are going to do a Purchase Plus Improvements. So then the money stays after your mortgage closes. It stays at your lawyer, so that $50,000 that you have been approved for stays at the lawyer. And then after you have completed the improvement, you call us again. We say, okay, you're complete. We send out an appraiser. He confirms you have done it. And then the $50,000 is released to you. It is an incredible program. It's a lot more work for us, to tell you the truth. But we love the fact that people aren't going into debt after they buy a house. Most people do this and they find out they need to do stuff. And then they're looking for either a line of credit or they're looking for a credit card that can pay for these improvements. I wish I had done it on my house originally. I looked at my oak cupboards forever and ever. I hated my oak cupboards. I hated my kitchen. And I wish I had done this 8 years ago when I bought my house, because it took me 8 years to actually do my new kitchen. And now I love it. There's nothing like a kitchen that you love to be in, even though my husband is the one that cooks. But anyway, If you'd like more information about this program, we're here for you. It is a fantastic program for you to get into maybe a lower priced house, but you need some things done to it to make it acceptable. So that's all for tonight. If you have any more questions, give us a call. We're always here. And wow, what a day it was today. It was so, so beautiful. Happy hunting, happy house hunting. We're here for you. Bye for now.